Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to tell you about a new USDT mining website. This website is really a good website and you can earn money with investment or without investment. Both our options are available here. So this website is really good website. Many of my subscribers commenting on videos that we want a without investment website, and some are commenting that we want to invest our money where we can invest. So this video is only for you. So please watch this video till, and if you didn't like the video, please click on the like button and also do subscribe my channel so you will get a notification of my videos daily. Okay, so let's get started without wasting more time. So first of all, you will get a link of the website in the description. So first of all, you need to click on the link given in the description. When you click on the link, this is interface come to front of you. You need to create an account. For create an account, you need to fill your email address. This is here, you need to fill email address. Then this is the captcha you need to fill here. After that, you need to fill your password. After confirm password, and this is the transaction password, you fill your password with numbers. Okay, and this is my refer code. You don't need to do anything with refer code. After, you need to click on register now. Okay, so this is the step of creating an account. So first I create an account and after talk to you. So I log in my account, and when I log in, such an interface will come to front of you. First of all, you need to click on the close option. When you click on close option, this interface will come to front of you. This is a very nice interface. You can see theme is very good, and you can see here the partner of this website. You can see Huobi coin. This is very popular coin in worldwide. You can see such an images. You can also download this application by clicking here download app, and you can download this application. You can see commission notification also available here. Many users getting profit from here, so here are showing. Okay, now I tell you how to earn money from this website. You need to click on mine option. You will get 16 USDT as a sign up bonus. Here you can see in my wallet 22 USDT because I have already this account, and I working on this website from few weeks. Okay, so I have 22 USDT now. I will show you how to earn money. So you can, for earn money, you need to recharge, and also you have without investment income option. So for without investment, you need to build an team. Okay, for team, here you see a option team. You need to click here, and you can see here this is the your refer link and invite code. You just need to share this refer link with your friends on social media like TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere else. You can share this website link, and you can earn money if they register with your link and invest. Okay, if they invest, you will get commission. Not only once, you will get by 3 levels. Okay, first team A, team B, and team C. It's mean if you share with your friend, and your friend share with their friend, and their friend share with their friend, you will get a commission. Okay, so you can build a team and create a strong income source. If you want to earn money with automation, you can do this. Okay, so now I go back and I tell you how to earn money with investment. If you want to invest with earn money with investment, you just need to click on recharge option. When you click on recharge option, here are this is address. You just need to click on copy option, and you need to do recharge. Okay, minimum recharge is 5 USDT. So do 5 USDT recharge, and you will start earning. Okay, so I won't recharge because I have already in my account. So if you want to recharge, you can recharge minimum 5 USDT, and maximum you can recharge anything infinite. Okay, so now you can see I have 22 USDT. If you recharge 5 USDT, your VIP level will be updated to VIP 1. So minimum recharge, please do 5 USDT, and you can start earning. How much you can earn money, I show you. First I show you VIP level. Here you can see for VIP 1 you need how much USDT. Here are all available. So you can see if you are in VIP 1, you can, your monthly income is 46 USDT, and daily income you can see 1.5 USDT. Okay, and daily task you will get 10. Okay, and you can see if you in VIP 2, you can earn monthly income 139 USDT. If you are in VIP 3, you can earn 388 USDT per month. Okay, so this is monthly income. If you want to build an passive income source, you can do this source. Okay, you can use this website for passive income. Here you just need to work 10 minutes or more than, and you can earn money. Okay, so this is best way to earn money. For this VIP update, you need to recharge more, and you can earn more. Okay, So now I show you how to do complete task. Okay, so when you click on home option, here are an option available. So because I am in VIP2, so I have Flipkart. If you in VIP2, you need to work with this, and this is Shopee.com. I know you know these website because these websites are very popular. You know this website eBay. So first I open Flipkart because I am in VIP1. So I got daily 10 tasks. Okay, so I just need to click on task and just need to click on submit option, and our task has been completed. I just need to click on this, and this will take more than, sorry, less than 1 minute. Okay, so less than 1 minute you can complete all tasks. You can see I complete all tasks front of you. So you can see I already completed 5 tasks, and 5 tasks remaining, and it's take only 1 minute. Only 1 minute you can complete all the tasks, and you can see I already completed almost all tasks. Okay, so last task I have remaining, and I completed all tasks. You can see 30 seconds it took and completed all tasks. Now I show you how much income I earned. 1.5 USD, 1.54 USD. You can see I earned from this website. Okay, so this is very easy to earn money. This is too much easy. You can build an passive income source for you, so you can do this in your free time. Okay, so now I show you how to withdraw. For withdraw, you just need to click on withdrawal option. First you need to click on submit option, and you need to add withdrawal method. When I click on add withdrawal method, you just need to put here your USDT TRC20 address. So I search my trust wallet and USDT, and I need to here and click on receive option. Then I need to go back and here put the address. Okay, after you need to fill here password and need to click on submit option, and you can see successfully changed. Now you just need to go back, and here you need to put amount. Okay, so because I can withdraw 1.54 and I need to put password, and now click on submit option. Select withdrawal method. You need to select your address, and now click on submit option, and application for withdrawal successful. Now you can see here deducted from this. Now we go to our trust wallet and see if withdrawal is received or not, and you can see still withdrawal not received because instant not received, but it will be received soon. So if received instant, I will show in this video. If not, you can join my Telegram channel. There I will show you definitely withdrawal proof. Okay, so I skip this video for a while, and after talk to you. Guys, it just took 1 minute, less than 1 minute, and I got withdrawal. I just skipped the video and I got notification from this, and you can see I got the withdrawal. You can see here I show you notification. Just I received 1.54 USDT. So this website is really amazing website. You can earn instant money. So I hope you like the video and like the website. If you like the website, click on the description box, go check out and create your account and do investment and earn money. And if you like the video, please click on the like option, and also do subscribe my channel for more interesting and knowledgeable videos. So we will talk in next video. Then tata, bye bye.